Hello. I am Tutor Nathan and as always, your personal virtual English tutor. How is everyone today? I hope everyone is having a great day. And how are you today, Your Highness?
I am great, Tutor Nathan. And how are you?
I am feeling perfect today. Which reminds me, Your Highness, do you know what the present perfect is?
I feel perfect today as well, Tutor Nathan.
I'm afraid that isn't what I meant.
What did you mean?
I meant the present perfect tense.
Oh. I am afraid I do not know what that is.
Would you like to learn about it, Your Highness?
Yes, I would. And I am sure our viewers would. Or else they wouldn't have clicked on this video.
Right, you are, Your Highness. Well, first we have to know what the present perfect tense is used for. The present perfect tense is used when an action had started, at some time between the past and now, without a clear indication of how much time has passed since the action had started.
Is there a form to use when you use the present perfect tense, Tutor Nathan?
I'm glad you asked, Your Highness. Yes, there is. We form it like this. We use the subject plus have plus the past participle form of the verb. For example, I have taught. In this sentence, you can see that I used the past participle form of teach and the auxiliary verb have. The auxiliary verb will either be have or has, depending on the pronoun that is used. For example, she has taught. I will leave a link to our website down in the description below for further information about using have or has.
That is very interesting, Tutor Nathan. I will definitely check out the web link. You may continue now.
Thank you, Your Highness. The first thing I want to discuss about using the present perfect is that we use this tense for, and that is with incomplete actions. These are actions that have started and are still happening at the moment. For example, in this sentence, we have watched this video for a little bit already. As you can see with this sentence, we started to watch this video sometime in the past, and we are still watching it at this moment, or at least I hope you are. The next thing we can use the present perfect for is unknown time periods. And all that means is that some kind of action was started in the past, but we are not sure of when it was started or when it ended. Let's take a look at this sentence. I've watched this movie 5 times already. As you can see, there was a completed action. However, we do not know the time and when the movies were watched. Another thing to notice is that I used the contraction or short form word of I have, which is I've. Are you still with us, Your Highness, and have any questions so far?
Yes, I am. And I am learning quite a lot, Tutor Nathan. If any of our viewers have any questions, they can ask in the comments below. Right, Tutor Nathan?
Yes, of course they can, Your Highness. We can also use the present perfect for actions completed right before the present time. However, you must use the word just after the auxiliary verb have and before the past participle. Take for example in this sentence, I have just arrived home from school. In that sentence, the person completed the action of getting home from school and is on to doing something else. And lastly, we can use the present perfect for repeated actions, and all repeated actions are things that you do regularly and often. In this example sentence, we have watched many of Tutor Nathan's videos. You are telling the reader or listener that you have already seen a lot of Tutor Nathan's videos. There is one last thing you should know about the present perfect tense. You can use it for negative sentences and questions. When we make questions with the present perfect tense, you have to place the auxiliary verb have before the subject. For example, have you eaten already? As you can see, the present perfect is really easy to learn.
Yes, it is, Tutor Nathan. And I learned a lot in this video. And I am positive that all our viewers did as well. You explained it very nicely.
Thank you, Your Highness. But all I can do is try my best. If you have stayed and watched all this video, thank you from the Queen and myself. And if you learned something or found this video informative, please give this a like and share with your friends. If you aren't subscribed already, please consider doing so. It helps out tremendously. Your Highness, would you like to say goodbye?
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. And I hope to see you in the next video.